a little bit of bonus footage. We've just got back from running the quad bike out at Emerson's Green in the rain. Only light rain, but it was wet out there. And I just thought we'd have a little look at this capacity controller, as it's called there. I'll put the camera down on the tripod. Okay, so this is the battery we were using. I had it plugged into the LiPo alarm. The LiPo alarm didn't go off, so we didn't actually get down to the trigger point. So 7.49, 3.77, 3.72. I think this one's set to 3.3 actually. If I press that button, is that the one? Oh, we're going up now. .3. Oh, that was right down at 2.7, that one was set. Yeah, I usually have them set at 3.3. I'll just do that again for people who don't know. There's a little button on the end there, so you can change the trigger point. So 3.3 is what I usually have them set at. I must have been playing with this one at some time. So unplug it, plug it in. Yeah. And then press that once. Oh, it's back down at 2.7. Hi guys, just been out with one of my little cars using this 2S LiPo battery, and now that I'm back I thought I'd just check the state of the battery using my new digital battery capacity checker. I've had it for a few weeks, but I just thought I'd do a little test. So this goes in this way round. And it tells us we've got 7.485 volts left, and we're down to 20% of the capacity. Go cell by cell, 3.735, 19%, and 3.749, 22%. So a little bit out of balance, but not too bad. But what I really wanted to show you was, which one was it? I think, yeah, this is the LiPo alarm that I had it plugged into in the car. And interestingly enough, the plug goes in the opposite way at the opposite end. It goes in there. So that tells us 7.49, so that's close. 3.77, 3.72. So that's fine. We didn't get down to the point where it triggers the alarm. Now this is the interesting bit. I thought this was set to 3.3 volts for the alarm trigger, but when I press this little button, yeah, this is the right one, it's telling me it's set to 2.7. Do that again, 2.7. Now I'm sure I had it set to 3.3. I do know I've played with some of these, but I then did this to wind it up to 3.3. So it's now set to 3.3. That's the trigger point. Unplugged it. Plugged it back in again. Pressed the button, and it's back to 2.7. And I'm stuck for words really. Because if I try this other one, which wasn't in that car, plug this in. So 7.43, 3.72, 3.71. So the range is showing us slightly different, but if I press this button, it is set for 3.3. So I'm not quite sure what's happened to this one. Why it should have lost its memory. It might be something you might want to check on yours, because as I say, I always assumed they were set to 3.3, and when I checked them they've been set to 3.3. But this one seems to have lost it, and it's down at 2.7. I can reset it just by toggling that button up to 3.3. In fact, if we go all the way, right, we go up to 3.7 and then it goes off. So 2.7, 2.8, 9, 3.3. I don't know if I'm supposed to hold that button in to set it. Let's hold it in. Didn't seem to make any difference. Unplug it. Plug it back in again. Press the button. Back down to 2.7. So yeah, interesting. Never noticed that before. And as I say, use that one. And that one is 3.3. Yeah, no idea, but I thought I would show that. This is, I think, about take 3 or take 4 of the video, so I probably didn't do the same introduction that I meant to. So the readings are very slightly different. Obviously this only goes to 2 decimal places anyway. But that one, the alarm, somehow or other, isn't staying to where it should be. I've just remembered I do have one stuck to the front of this transmitter. So let's see what that one says. Oh, I can't even reach the button there. Now that one's set to 2.7. This is a bit of a revelation. Yeah, that one's not holding it either. So it looks like some of these hold the setting and some of them don't. Yeah, hang on, let's just do a close-up of this. Yeah, when I clear the dirt out of the way, it clearly states preset value 3.3. Push key which can change the voltage setting and save. And clearly it's not saving it. So yeah, if you're relying on these, you might want to check them. Because I've used loads of them and I've never come across that where it's not saving the setting before. I mean, I haven't checked it, to be honest. It worked on the one that I used it on, and now it looks like it doesn't work on all of them. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.